FDX Series is available in the power range from 0.4 to 1.1 kilowatts. Submersible pumps for residential drainage are especially suitable for draining clear and turbid waters. Plus, they can be used as ready-to-use portable pumps for construction sites, basement wells, and for fixed installations with control panel. The FDX Series has a cast iron open impeller, mechanically balanced to avoid vibrations. The FDX Series is available in two discharge sizes, 1.5 inch and 2 inch. FDX pumps are the best choice for residential and commercial applications, such as draining and dewatering rooms or tanks, rainwater collection, and extraction of water from ponds, streams, or pits. Franklin Electric. More than motors.